They sent us 4 of their UFO high bay lighting for barns and commercial buildings and stuff. Super cool. They're switchable to 3 different watts. They go 90, 120, or 150 watts. They've got a hanger that goes here in the top. They plug into a standard outlet, and they're supposed to send out quite a bit of light. And with 4 of these down through the middle of the barn, we're going to put them up high so we can get as much benefit out of them as we can. So we're excited about doing this project. Okay folks, all of our ladder work is done. We have all our connections made. We've got our fuses put back in over here. Let's flick the switch and see what it looks like. Wow! What a transformation that is. We got a light in the barn. Lots more than we did before. The true test is going to be tonight when it's dark. So let me put my tools away and we'll come back when it's dark. All right, it's almost nighttime out here. I told Kelly to go stand down in the dark in the barn, and I'm going to light her up to see what she thinks of these new lights. Here we go. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, you can see like in every corner.
Yeah, super cool. That's why we put them up really high. They're called high bay lights because the lights go a lot further around the barn. Night and day difference, literally. Pretty cool.